That was so much fun. I wish they could go. But I think it would be too much jerking around for them. Well, since I was an engineer, and I didn't know one of the 3 places was indoor, and the other chick just sitting there wouldn't even talk to nobody.
You hit that indoor?
You bet.
So,
I love indoor. So you've been to Bespin, and I went to indoor. That was a walk-on. You walk up the stairs, wait up like 2 minutes.
Did you want to go again and try to see if you can get the Coruscant? Tell the people you're on there with the same thing. Say, look, I've done the other 2. Can we do Coruscant?
You want to go again? Have a turn. We have no choice.
I'm still trying to log into this. It kicked my password.
He can't get in. Yeah, but still, you can still go and do that later, and we'll fix it.
Okay.
And when you walk up in the hallway, there is a scan thing in there. We'll have to take a picture of it.
Yes, I saw it.
So let's go find out if you can go. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. The graphics are absolutely amazing. And you get to sit and ride with Grogu. He's in your screen the whole entire time.
Yes.
And there's so much more to do. And the girls did a fantastic job, and they didn't know that it changed. They didn't even, that family that I rode with didn't know it changed. There's a family of 4, and then it was me and this other single rider. Like, she wasn't very, I'm like, this is my first time riding the new overlay. How about you? Just like that, crickets. Just like that, crickets.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to.
I know, well, come on, let's go. You got another time. Come on, you easily go one more time. Oh my gosh, it's going on again. I'm sorry, I'm stuffed in my face. Let me turn it around. The engine just fired up and went out, so the lights flickered on the engine on the airplane. Oh, that was so much fun. So when we were here 4th of July, you could not walk back here, and they had it blocked off because it was so full back. Somebody's hacking. Standby is 25 minutes. It didn't look like it. Where are you?
I'm here, right behind you.
So there's the wait times, because it'd be cool to go the other side too. So, are you going?
No more codes right now.
Yeah, because you overdid.
When you go to it, it goes away and you can't go back to it.
So I'll have to show you how to get into your passcodes.
So.
Oh, look, there's a blaster mark now on the side.
So, all right. What do you want me to do?
Take them with you. Go ride another. So you went to Bespin, right?
I went to Bespin. You went to.
I went to Endor. That was
Endor. So I need to go to Coruscant. Watch behind.
I'm sorry.
All right, I'll find you. Yep.
Okay. Thank you. I see you.
Thank you. Oh, pardon me. All right, guys, we're going for another shot. I went to Bespin earlier. Ray went to Coruscant. So let's see if I'm sorry. She went to Endor. I'm the one that needs to go to, oh wait, I only walked that one. Let's see where we can go this time. All right, guys, let's see if we can talk everybody going to Coruscant. And that'll be all. Y'all, I'm not really an engineer, but I did stay at a Holiday Inn Express one time. So, see that? Here we are again. Walk right on in single rider. So again, like I said, in this live, I went to Bespin, Ray went to Endor. So if nobody cares where we go, Coruscant would be cool. see what Hondo says we're doing. So has anybody done this yet today with the new overlays? Anybody?
Welcome, welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. A few brand new crew members and a few returning for another mission. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate.
We're missing our briefing.
Capture them and deliver and crate their transport. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Cool. They'll meet us there. He said so. He promised.
Alright, all bags go on the floor by your feet. Seatbelts go outside in.
Outside in.
Okay, let's pull on those yellow straps.
Yellow straps.
Gunners, pull and pull.
There it is. Time is back.
Alright, those flashing buttons get loud.
Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Pilots, grab those controls. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. Nice work on the tractor beam. Gunners, take out those scouts. Good work, Gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. We plan. We catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Right, engineer, launch the homing beacons. Good work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left, engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Coruscant, let's head out. Grogu, buckle up. Make the jump at light speed. Fingers are empty. Switching to ion cannons.
Hello, engineers. Remember, more crates needs more credits.
They're working on the Hondo. After them. We're rendezvous on the other side. Engineers, grab the crates on your tractor beam. Watch out for those power couplings. Disable the ship.
Oh, here we go.
Nice catch, kid. Oh no, enemy ships incoming. Reboot the ship while I grab this Imperial officer. Backup is here. Republic X-Wings. Look out. Hit the boosters. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Mission complete.
All right.
Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Unloading crates now. A respectable haul. To the right buyer, we can fetch a very good price.
Good work, crew. Grogu and I will hand over the Imperial officer to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo.
Ciao.
The kid.
Poor Falcon, it's still trembling.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker.
There it is.
All right. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
Nice work on Coruscant. Exit this way for me.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
All available text.
All right, guys, we did
have a
Coruscant.
freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing
Hey,
seems
just so y'all know, I
Better
was
fix all
filming
that
from the
before
back.
the Wookiee sees it.
So we did a live. You'll be able to go back and see it later on YouTube if you wanted to. If you were interested in going back and checking it out.
Sweet, okay.
We are Herrholz Hub. Also, it's Herrr. You just type in those 3 letters, and we're the only ones. It'll come up.
Sweet.
And you'll look for Smugglers Run live from today. It'll have today's date, and you'll see our ride. We did.
Nice.
So far, my wife and I have been riding back to back. First one I did was Bespin. She did Endor, and now we did Coruscant.
So you've done all 3. Sweet.
So you'll get to see
Piloted
all
yet?
3.
Have you piloted any of those yet?
No, we've sat in the back of it because you ride single rider, you get stuck in the back.
Gotcha.
But I see everything going on.
So-
with the camera out here next to me.
I do a Star Wars podcast.
Okay, cool.
Jedi Talk.
Jedi Talk. Jedi Talk. Remember that one.
Jedi Talk podcast. I have done this ride. I was at Disneyland opening day. I was here opening day. I've done this about, probably 150, 200 times.
Yep.
You feel way less in control of the ship in this version.
Now?
Yeah.
Oh wow, okay.
There was a lot of it that felt automated. They're like, I'm pushing down, but it's not doing anything.
Okay.
But I like the idea of like the engineers and stuff doing different things. But it doesn't. I don't feel like I was in control. Like I used to. Used to be when you would like you'd hit it, like you go down, you would go down.
Right.
Now it's like I didn't feel that.
All right.
It's very. You should wait to see the pilot. See, you piloted before, I assume, right?
Many times.
Okay. So you should go do it and see if you think if you agree with me.
Thank you.
Yeah, I felt way less in control.
So let's see if we can find Ray again. She's probably back out here with the boys again. There she is in the corner, in the dark. She knows I can't see in the dark. Excuse me in case you heard that. So,
Where'd you go? I copied just.
we did Coruscant because my engineer was sleeping on the job and I went Coruscant. So we went to Coruscant. So that's all 3. We rode the one pilot does the Star Wars podcast, Jedi Talk.
Oh yes.
He was there. He was the piloting. So I told him here it's Jedi Talk, and I told you all about Jedi Talk. And so I told him about our hub, Herrholz hub, and then I could see him in the back if he was interested in looking. He goes, yeah, he'll go check us out. So there we go.
Turn this off because there's a reverb. There's a.
Oh, which one do you want to turn off? This one?
No, here.
Oh, here's the live. We'll turn that off.
There, got it.
Okay.
Okay. So you went to Coruscant.
We went to Coruscant.
Well, I told you the other, she was like, I'm like, this is my first time riding it with the overlay. Have you done this before? And she was like, she just sat there, and when I said, okay, now you pick your foot, and I was like, and I heard Endor. You know I love Endor.
So the gentleman we rode with was the pilot.